Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our people and friends and loved ones at YouTube and now streaming in TikTok. How you guys doing today on this beautiful Tuesday? If you saw the video yesterday, I had told you could tell I started trading this account yesterday. I was going to tell you how it's connected to our trading system. So you could tell we took in 24 trades. We've been able to get a little bit of money for it. There you go. 24 trades. We made 5,100 bucks on that aspects of it. There you go. We barely started yesterday the account. Okay. So we got a couple days. Results. Boom. Okay. So I just want to show you something real quick too. Okay, so here is our trading system. Pips pay my bills. We have two accounts synced to our trading system. Remember, right now, based on the bandwidth, we could only put up to 8 more of them. However, we have a small account that we're gonna grow. $269 on that one, and then we have the FTMO challenge account hooked up here. There you know we got it. Two trades. So one of them got me $5,100, bigger account. You know what I mean? I said we're scalping, and then the other one was $41, but technically 78 because all got traded last night. But yeah, that's just that quick. You know what I mean? We're able to jump in the markets, get in and out. This is one of the best things that we are able to do right now because we are not have to be stuck behind a computer. Our system takes the trades, moves the take profit, the trailing stop, the stop loss, and all you have to do is plug it, set it, and forget it. If you want to know more, if you want some information on how our pips pay my bills trading system works, send me a message and I'll get you hooked up. Remember, I'm only able to um, support 8 more accounts, so reach out to me and I will let you know what is the requirements.